school from home.
Yes. How's that? Who's the teacher?
Mommy and Daddy.
Yeah. Do they take turns?
And Lillian sometimes.
Yeah, and Lillian.
Your cousin sometimes.
Cousin Lillian? What does Cousin Lillian teach?
We have like homework packets, so
Yeah.
it's math.
Grade stuff.
So whatever the teacher sends home.
They're saying stuff they've been working on and learning. So their math and counting charts and reading skills and spelling words and
Yeah. How do you like living at Papa's?
I like it a lot. And there's 2 kitties living here.
Yeah.
3.
Wait, actually there's 3.
Yeah. Are they friendly kitties?
Yeah. For the most part.
They'll let you pet them?
Yeah. They let her do whatever with them. They let her hold them like babies and wrap them up and play with them and whatever.
There goes our kitty's walking down the hall there. Must have heard us talking about kitties.
But I'm glad we moved over here before this all happened, so they would have gone really stir crazy at the other house, because they do have more room to roam here.
Oh yeah, sure. I can see the yard. Are you sitting outside?
Yeah, I'm sitting at the playhouse, and the other boys are over here on the trampoline.
Chick was tired of waiting, so she's making meatloaf now.
All right.
She'll be here in a minute.
Okay.
Action shot.
Yeah, man. Puffing them cheeks out with a banana. Hey, Evan.
Is that
Hi,
Evan. Hey, Evan. Papa's.
Hey, Dawson.
What do you think, Evan?
What you thinking?
Did you say Dawson? I don't see him.
He's behind. Here's Aubrey bringing over one of the cats. Kids
Hey, everybody.
Hey.
Hi, Charlotte.
Another kitty.
The other kitty.
Oh.
Hey, Aubrey.
Well, what are we celebrating? What are we thankful for today?
What you thankful for?
Boy. Everything.
Everything.
Definitely thankful for sunshine.
Yes, we're thankful for sunshine. There's Dawson again.
With the other.
Yeah.
The other.
So I'm grateful that I'm working from home. I started Wednesday.
That's a strawberry. Mommy, are they?
That's a very nice strawberry, Charlotte.
Heater, and they give you those rewards points.
Yeah.
I filled up my car for 79 cents a gallon. It was $1 off for just the points we had accumulated.
And Chick, you stopped working just in time, huh?
Yep, I stopped my paying job to keep Camille for 4 days, and now I don't have a job again. So
Yeah, they closed school 4 days after Camille started staying with us. So of course Lauren's at home with her.
yeah,
Yeah.
and loving it.
Yeah.
Well, didn't we meet at a good time, Neil?
Yes.
I mean, we met that Saturday. By the next Saturday, it had turned upside down.
Yeah.
Yeah. We couldn't have met. March 14th.
There you go, March 14th. Just ask
Yeah.
the lady. I don't even know what day it is, Carolyn.
He always had the Duke hat on.
That was his only downfall. Hey, Aubrey, I think that cat is going to the bathroom on your shoulder.
Oh,
That's not.
Aubrey's the cat whisperer. Well,
But if you need to mute me, that's fine.
that's
if
fine.
you're
But
getting
just,
too much.
just raise your hand, wave your hand.
Yeah.
Book bag cat.
Book bag cat.
Well, Andrew Neal, did you preach on Facebook today?
Well, that's a great question, Pam.
He tried really hard.
I actually thought I was getting ahead, and I did a live sermon on my personal page yesterday.
Uh-huh.
But since it was a live sermon, live message, well, whatever reason, we haven't been able to post it to the church page. Now it's off of my page.
But when I looked it up, it was on the church page. But somebody else from church had called this morning. They couldn't get it on the church page. We don't know what happened.
Was supposed to be about the Lord's Prayer, so we can ruminate on that.
Yes.
But by the time it comes through, it ought to be
Really good.
And then people have been finding other creative things. I've got a friend that set up virtual movie nights.
Yeah.
So we've been doing, I've done a couple of those so far where we hang out in a chat room and then all kind of try to push play at the same time on our own devices. I was planning to try to set up, a baby shower for Jamie and a bridal shower for Jordan for this summer, but right now not making any plans.
Yeah.
Well,
Well, Jessica, let me know if you just need a person with a paid version.
okay.
Yeah.
And do a study that we already had, a Max Lucado study.
Yeah.
But it's hard to handle our group in person.
You know, it was more manageable on Zoom, I thought.
People tended to be a little, take turns more, I think.
Yeah.
I sent it to her. Wait, tell everyone I'm sorry we can't get on. Mason is on a walk with Stone and Livy is asleep. It's my only moment of quiet. She's losing her mind.
Yeah, Michelle's
losing
crazy
her
busy.
mind.
Because, like I said, I've got sales guys that aren't working. She's got probably hundreds of sales guys that aren't working, and she's the head trainer. So she's
So now they're training everybody in Rubbermaid how to have virtual meetings, and she's having to train everybody. And she said, she literally was leading a meeting, and I think they use Teams. I think they use
Microsoft Teams.
They use Teams. And she said Stone was sitting on her knee and she was bouncing him. And she said Livy ran in the bedroom, was singing a song from Frozen, and ran up and licked her on the arm.
Yeah, she deserves her break. We'll let her have a break.
Yeah. And of course she has a 3-year-old and an 8-month-old, so that's busy.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Yeah. Yeah. And Jim, has there been any, Jim or Chick, is Mason's doing stuff with his
Gym is shut. The gym is closed down.
Yeah.
And he said that he let the people come and take some of the equipment to their homes.
Oh.
And he I guess he's still trying to program those that want it to work out at their homes with what they have.
Yeah.
So, but I don't know if they're paying.
Yeah, he's trying to provide content to keep things going.
He's trying to keep it open, but he also says this might be the end of it. He doesn't.
Yeah. Yeah. It's hard to know when you don't know how long it's going to last.
Right. So he's at home with Michelle, but with 8-month-old, Dad can only do so much. Sometimes that baby wants mommy.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then Gustavo is working from home. I guess this is his 3rd week working from home starting. And of course, Lauren's been home. So Lauren's like, I am not coming out with that baby and we're just going to stay in here. So
yeah.
Lauren's extremely happy. She said she's got an elongated maternity leave.
Yeah. Yeah.
And Gustavo can work from home easily. He's sitting at his desk all day anyway. So he said it was no problem. So yeah, we're pretty fortunate. All of us are,
I saw a picture of Gustavo sitting at the kitchen table, computer in front of him. He had his head down, holding onto his telephone, and his foot was rocking the baby in a I was like, wait, there you go.
What about Steve?
He is working on a very limited basis, I guess, but because he's, I guess there's the owner of the company, and then there's his right-hand man, and then I guess in the pecking order then comes Steve. So they so far have said he doesn't need to worry, but all the people that work in the shops, I guess, are going to be let go or have been let go.
Love to everybody.
Good to see
Neil, I know
everybody.
you're gonna crack the code with the with getting those sermons on.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right,
Take
guys.
care, guys.
Take care. Stay well.
We will.